What's up, y'all? It's Nylene Giselle back at the K9 store. I got a treat for you guys. OT Stone and Cash is going to freestyle for the week. So, let's go.
Yeah, it's going to go off like this in Video City. Yeah, it's a party over there, it's a party over here, it's a party everywhere. We do it like we don't even care. Up in the Bronx, we ain't really wrong, we really right all night. My nigga Cash Flow, you know he's all right, sipping on that potion on the low night. Give him what you got, cause you know we got it locked on our block.
Face it, let's get straight to the basics. It's Cash Flow, the hottest dude in the nation. Yes, I'm caking. All around this world like stations. I'm true to this, like Muslim towards bacon. I know, y'all don't want to see me blow. You rather see me in jail whole day with my eyes closed. But no, that's not how it's gonna go. I'ma be in that V with a chick getting slow neck. When I'm finishing straight next, then I'm on the phone and I'm calling my whole set. So they can do their thing and I can get paid. If you don't believe, you can ask my team today. Who better than Cash? I scream nobody. My flow weighed up like 4 bodies, I pop like 4 shotties. But y'all dudes better respect me. Like the kid is 4 mommies. Or you can catch 4 with them slugs for them 4 shotties. Put 4 holes in them 4 bodies. Blow his brains out, drag his ass through 4 lobbies.
All right. It's getting crazy. It's getting crazy. Nylene Giselle at the K9 store. Back to you, Video City.
Brooklyn Records, man. You know what it is, man.
What's up, Video City? Your boy, DJ Sean G, Video City's own 15-year-old DJ. And you're tuned in to Video City, #1, because DJ Sean G said so.